If Telegram is stuck on connecting, keeps loading, or just won't come online, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix the Telegram connecting problem step by step. These fixes are simple, safe, and work whether you're using Telegram on your phone or on your PC. Before we begin, if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, we need to check whether the problem is actually on Telegram's side. Sometimes the app is fine, but the servers are having an outage, and that can make it look like something is wrong with your device. Open your browser and search for Telegram server status, down detector. Then click the down detector results that appear in the search results. Once you're on the page, check whether there's a spike in reports or any sign that Telegram is having a current outage. If a lot of users are reporting problems, then the issue may be temporary, and the best fix is simply to wait until the service is restored. If there's no outage showing, then we know the issue is probably on your end. So let's keep going. Next, check your device and app connection settings. A very common cause of Telegram not connecting is a network issue, so the easiest test is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi, turn it off and try mobile data. If you're on mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi and see whether Telegram starts working. This helps you figure out whether the problem is tied to your current network or local internet provider. Sometimes your Wi-Fi connection may be active, but the route to Telegram is blocked or unstable, so changing networks can fix it right away. Another important thing to check is VPN or proxy conflicts. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily and then try connecting to Telegram again. Some VPNs can interfere with Telegram's servers, slow down the connection, or cause the app to stay stuck on connecting. The same goes for proxy settings. If you're using a proxy, disable it and test Telegram without it. The goal here is to make sure Telegram is connecting normally, without anything in between blocking the connection. Once you've confirmed it works, you can turn your VPN back on one at a time to see whether that was the cause. If Telegram is still not connecting, the next fix is to sync your system time. This is especially important on Windows because Telegram relies on your PC's clock matching its servers. If your time or date is incorrect, Telegram can fail to connect properly. To fix this on Windows, right-click the clock on your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. If it's already on, you can turn it off and back on again to resync the clock. You should also check that the correct time zone is selected. After that, close Telegram completely and reopen it to see if the connection problem is gone. If you're on your phone, it's also a good idea to make sure your date and time settings are set automatically through your device settings. Incorrect system time can create login and connection issues, even if your internet is working perfectly. After fixing the time, restart the Telegram app and try again. At this point, Telegram should start connecting normally if the issue is related to the server, network, VPN, proxy or system time. If it still isn't working, a full restart of your device can help clear temporary connection glitches. But in most cases, these 3 steps are enough to solve the problem quickly. So to recap, first, check for Telegram server outages using down detector. Second, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and turn off VPN or proxy connections. Third, sync your device's system time, especially on Windows. These are the most reliable fixes for the Telegram connecting problem. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Telegram issues in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.